Okay, on this lecture we are going to watch what is lambda function. Lambda function is nothing but it is an updated version of a normal function. Okay, first of all I am just declaring a normal function. Okay, declaring a normal function def hello function equal to printing the value hello world. Okay, after that here calling my function hello function, it will print the value hello world. Okay, it will print the value python app.py value the hello world. Declaring a lambda function. Declaring a lambda function. Here on the lambda function you could directly write a variable name that is equal to lambda key name, after that here space colon. Here I didn't pass any argument, simply using as a normal function, so space colon, then what I need to do on this particular lambda function here hola bonjour. Okay, now calling hola function. Okay, it acts as a normal function but it doesn't return any type of value. Okay, now passing a single argument square that is equal to lambda a colon print square of given value is square of given value is a cross a. Okay, print square. Okay, so on square, not here square passing of the value 9, so I wrongly typed that. Here you could see the square of given value is 18. 9 cross 9 is 18. Okay, now multiplication passing multiple argument. Multiplication multiple that is equal to lambda a comma b, so you could use val1 comma val2 val1 comma val2 print multiplication is, while I just shift entered it was already opening git bash. Okay, so print multiplication of two value is a cross b. Here val1 cross val2 val1 cross val2. Okay, multiple function name passing a value 5 comma 9. Okay, it should print 45. Okay, now conditional statement on lambda function. Here to lambda a comma b. Here first of all I am just printing a is lesser than b if a is lesser than b, else print a is greater than b. Now passing an argument 2 that is equal to 1 comma 5, saving my file and running a is lesser than b. If I write 2 5 comma 1, running my file a is greater than b. Okay, here result 1, that is equal to lambda a comma b print a is lesser than b. If a is less than b, else print a is greater than b, a is greater than b, if a is greater than b, else print a equal to b. Okay, on result 1 equal to, I'm just passing the value 2 comma 2. Oh god, 2 comma 2. Okay, here a equal to b, rest 1 of passing a function 10 comma 20, a is lesser than b. Here rest 1 equal to 20 comma 10. Now a is greater than b. Okay, next 3 argument result 2, that is equal to lambda a comma b comma c. I'm just printing a plus b minus c. Okay, a plus b minus c. Here I could use a keyword argument result 2, that is equal to a, that is equal to 10, b equal to 8 comma c equal to 4. Okay, this is keyword argument. Here 14, 18 minus 4 is 14. I could use default argument also, like result 3, that is equal to lambda a comma b comma c equal to 5, c equal to 5, then print a plus b minus c, a plus b minus 3. Here on the result 3, I'm just passing a value 15 comma 10. Okay, 15 plus 10, 25 minus 10, 5 is 20. On rest 3, I'm just passing 15 comma 15 comma 15. Okay, the value is 15. 15 plus 15, 30. 30 minus 15 is 15. Okay, this is what a default argument. You can also use args and kwargs. Result 4, that is equal to lambda star args. Okay, args, then print args. Okay, on result 4, passing a value a comma b comma c comma d comma e. Okay, passing 5 different values. Here a b c d e, 5 different values. After that, you can also use kwargs. Result 5, that is equal to lambda star kwargs, then print kwargs. Okay, passing a value that is equal to a is 1 comma b is 2 comma b is 2. Here I think I need to put equal to a equal to b, a equal to 1. This is also not in a string. a equal to, oh god, a equal to 1, b equal to 2, then c is 3. Okay, a is 1, b is 2 and c is 3. I need to pass a value result 5 passing. So you are passing a kwargs, so you need to write multiple star, then what is your variable name. Here on this case it was working perfectly fine, printing kwargs statement, a is 1, b is 2, c is 3. Okay, let's summary. Okay, lambda is a normal function. Okay, so it acts as a normal function declaring a lambda function, then single argument, multiple argument, you could conditional statement, then keyword argument, default argument, args and kwargs. Okay, on next lecture we are going to watch map, filter and reduce based on lambda.